Bonjour à tous, bienvenue sur Doron Beat. Alors aujourd'hui cette vidéo elle va être en français et aussi en anglais parce que je suis accompagné de Elvis Beat. Hello Elvis Beat, how are you?
Hello everyone, here's Elvis Bits, on the top of Acropolis.
You are
Hello
amazing.
Doron. Hello Doron, hello.
Hello Elvis. So I'm very happy to do that, to do this video review. Aujourd'hui, on va faire un overview. We're going to do an overview. You know, you like my French, my English accent, guys. Huh? You like it. All right. Okay. So we're going to do it from the top, on the top to bottom, left to right. All right. On va faire ça de haut en bas, en gros, t'as compris. All right. So the first one, le premier point. Well, sorry, Elvis. I'm going to speak.
It's okay. It's
more,
okay.
more French and English, but
It's okay. I can understand you. I understand every language.
C'est vrai? Ok. You are a champion. So
Yes.
Le premier bouton, c'est le I comme information, d'accord? Le I comme information, il est important quand même pour savoir où est-ce que tu es. Donc là, tu vois, on voit qu'on est dans la réunion de moi. Là, je suis Lost, Doron Mazouz, et le mot de passe pour la réunion, c'est celui-ci. Et puis, le lien d'invitation, c'est celui-ci, mais je vais le cacher lors du montage, car c'est un lien professionnel, d'accord? Et puis, c'est tout. Ok. And now, on va cliquer sur le shield. We're going to click on the shield. On va cliquer sur le bouclier. Alors le bouclier, figurez-vous qu'il est quand même intéressant. Oh là, on ne me voit plus, c'est pas grave, je vais revenir. Le bouclier, pourquoi il est intéressant? Parce que c'est le setting, c'est la fameuse roue crantée qui s'est transformée en bouclier. Elvis, I just tell that the gear was evolved as a shield.
Yes.
It's amazing.
Yes. It's really amazing.
It's amazing. Yeah? We don't understand why. Do you understand?
No, we don't have to understand it. We have just to use it.
Yeah, you're right. Yes. You always have the good answer.
Yes.
Je vais mettre des sous-titres pour ceux qui parlent pas en anglais. I'm gonna make some subtitles for people who don't speak English. Okay, so here, là, ici, la première chose qu'on voit, alors là on ne me voit pas. Ok. La première chose qu'on voit, je vais baisser l'écran. On peut pas. Je crois qu'on peut pas. C'est pas grave, tant pis. Quand on clique sur le shield, on va cliquer sur, on va tomber sur les statistiques, les stats tout de suite. Alors qu'on pourrait tomber sur les autres choses comme vidéo, audio, partager l'écran, mais on tombe sur les statistiques. Ce qui est intéressant, parce que là, ici, vous avez des statistiques en temps réel, d'accord? Là, nous ne sommes que deux, donc ça va, ok? Mais si nous n'étions pas, si nous étions plus que deux, bah, ça n'irait pas. Et donc du coup, là, bon, on a comment notre ordinateur il utilise Zoom ici, unité centrale, ça veut dire notre ordinateur, hein, Zoom à 5%, généralité, bon ça je sais pas trop, hein, c'est beaucoup plus de choses en même temps. Et puis là, la mémoire, bon, bah, il utilise pratiquement pas Zoom, et les généralités de la mémoire, bah, c'est 5 gigas environ. Mais ce qui est important, c'est la bande passante, d'accord? Donc là, moi, j'utilise 973 kilobits seconde. J'en envoie, d'accord? J'envoie ça. Et j'en reçois par Elvis 545 kilobits par seconde. Alors, so Elvis, I want to ask you something. I want you to hide your video. And you will see, vous allez voir, ça va disparaître. I can't hear you.
To idle my video?
Yes, because I want to show the bande passante, the through. I don't know the word in English.
Okay, so I can just go to the video settings.
No. You just below there is the microphone and the camera. Just click on it. Okay. Click on the camera.
Yes.
Okay, you see? Okay, so Elvis, I'm saying that, wait a second, Elvis. Do I share my screen?
You?
I didn't share my screen.
No. Oh no.
Okay, let's do that quickly. Okay, great. It was marvelous. We do it again. So it's always like that with me. Sometimes I do, I don't know. Okay. Bonjour à tous, bienvenue sur Don Beat. On est tous sur Zoom aujourd'hui et je vais parler avec Elvis qui est l'un de mes collègues préférés. Hello Elvis, how are you?
Elvis Bit. I'm
Yeah,
fine,
Elvis
thank you.
Beat.
Ça va?
Ça va et toi?
Until there I know it, so further I cannot talk to your French.
Okay, yes, because it's going to be a French-English conversation today, okay? Because you maybe don't speak English, but you speak free English. How many languages do you speak, Elvis?
Four.
Combien de langages tu parles?
Four. Yeah.
Four. So English and what more?
German and Greek and Albanian.
Okay. Okay. Can you say hello in German with
Hello.
the accent?
Hello. Hello.
Okay, great.
Hello. So it's very typical. So hello. But you say it very deep. So hello.
Okay, let's continue with the German accent. So, hello, tout le monde. On va. Non, je rigole, je rigole. This is not for me because I don't have the German accent. I'm much more better in Japanese. So, vous inquiétez pas, je vais mettre des sous-titres pour si je parle en anglais, ne vous inquiétez pas. Ok, la première chose à faire déjà, est-ce que j'ai partagé l'écran? Yes, I am sharing my screen because we do it again. Because
Yes.
I forget yet to share my screen. Yes. Okay, the first button. Le premier bouton, c'est le i. Alors, le i est très important, croyez-moi. C'est l'identité de votre vidéo. C'est là où vous allez pouvoir voir l'ID de la réunion, qui est l'auteur de la réunion, le host, d'accord, le suprême host, et non pas le co-host, et puis le mot de passe et le lien de la réunion, et puis tu peux copier l'URL et l'ID du participant, etc. Tu peux savoir où tu es avec le i, ok? What do you think about the i, Elvis?
It's an important button because you can see with one view immediately where are you, in which sitting are you, so you don't have to look somewhere else.
And you're right, you are the best.
Yes.
Okay, we do not forget that we only have 40 minutes to do. We maybe have 20 minutes now because we restart.
Yes.
Yeah, we have to do it quickly. Okay, so after that, we have un bouton merveilleux, c'est le bouclier, le shield. Et si vous connaissez le client lourd de Zoom, the heavy client, it was a gear before, but now when it's friendly, it's marvelous. Now it's a shield. C'est un bouclier, d'accord? Ça s'est transformé. What do you think about the evolution of the gear?
The evolution?
Yeah, because now it's a shield. It's not a gear.
Yeah, it's much more better because it protects you also. So yes, it's yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, so here we're gonna click on it. Okay, and then we are on the settings. Okay, in all the settings. But as you can see, comme vous pouvez le voir, on est dans les statistics. Okay. Et ça c'est important parce que si vous animez une grande réunion, attendez, vous me voyez plus. Vous animez une grande réunion avec 100 personnes et tout, et ben vous allez voir que ça va se surcharger, l'unité centrale va prendre beaucoup, elle va se dire oulala, là on va tomber dans le rouge, là on est dans le bleu donc ça va, et puis la mémoire elle va tomber dans le rouge, etc. Et c'est bon. Voilà. Et puis ça aussi, ça dépend de votre processeur, d'accord? Donc là, j'utilise un très bon ordinateur, Core i5 V Pro 8e génération. Mais autre chose, là, c'est la bande passante. D'accord, ça c'est le plus important, c'est vraiment la bande passante, c'est tout le débit qui va être envoyé et reçu. Donc, as you can see, comme vous pouvez le voir, là j'envoie 1529 kilobits seconde, alors que Elvis m'en envoie 681. Mais s'il y avait beaucoup plus de gens, eh bien, je pourrais en avoir beaucoup plus que 1500, 1600. Alors, ça, c'est très, très important. It is very important because the video in Zoom can be in HD, all right? So, I'm going to show you something. Video, HD, okay, all right? I tick on HD, and now I'm going to see the statistics, and nothing. Okay. It was a bad example. But now, if I say to Elvis, Elvis, can you please turn off your camera? Here, you can see, vous pouvez voir, 30 kilobits seconde. Donc, la caméra prend beaucoup de bandes passantes, d'accord? Okay, you can come back, Elvis. I like to see you.
Thank you.
Alors, ok, donc là, on est bon. On a vu qu'on était dans les statistiques, d'accord? Bon, là, c'est à l'enregistrement, donc je ne vais pas vous le montrer. Mais ici, maintenant, c'est l'affichage des intervenants. Donc là, on a un affichage où il y a moi ici et il y a Elvis ici. Mais je pourrais faire Elvis en grand. It is
Yeah.
much more better when we
Yes, it's
see.
when I'm growing, I'm much more better. Yes. You see my background much more better
Yeah, where is it? I forget.
in Acropolis in Athens.
Oh,
We have to go
Acropolis.
there.
Yeah, we have to go there. I've never
Yes,
been there. I've been to Corfu, as I tell you before, you know.
we will.
We will. Okay.
Yes.
Have you been to Mykonos?
Yes, many
Yes.
times.
Great. My wife was here. She tells me
Ah,
that there is a beautiful man. She tells me that it was difficult to think about you because I was there was
she was
beautiful.
there alone?
No, no, she was with her girlfriends, friends. She's
Friends.
yeah, yeah, just friends. It will be
Ah,
marvelous, of course. Yeah.
okay.
Ok, and here, c'est le passage en mode plein écran. Ok. Oh, it's a full screen. That's all.
Yes,
And
yes.
now we're gonna see the very important menu. Here, there is the microphone. Il y a le microphone ici. Donc là, comme vous pouvez le voir, le microphone il bouge. Ok. Et si je parle plus, là je parle. Okay, it's green. And now, hop, nothing. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so if I click here, okay, great. So you can come back here. You can come back, Elvis.
I'm back.
You're back, of course. Okay, this is a little bit, but there is a little error here. And you
It's
have a question?
better to, you can translate this in French, to have the microphone muted while the other people speak, of course.
Oh, yes, 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 because if you are about 10% or maybe 100 person, 100 people, because you can do it in Zoom, it is better without microphone. Not for you, because you are presenting something, okay, but for all the other people. And you can start the Zoom with that, with no microphone and no camera. But here, if you want to test your microphone, you have to go to the little arrow, ok? So, vous pouvez tester le microphone ici, tu vois. Tu cliques ici, ok? Et là, il me dit, est-ce que vous entendez une sonnerie? Si tu dis que tu entends une sonnerie, eh ben, vous n'entendez rien. Par contre, moi, ça y est, ça me blinde. Vous appuyez sur oui. Et j'utilise ce casque-là, ok? Et là, maintenant, je peux parler. Et si je m'arrête de parler, je vais entendre une relecture. Voilà, j'entends bien une relecture. Donc, du coup, ça veut dire que tout fonctionne. Et c'est très important car nous n'avons pas réussi du premier coup à faire notre réunion ensemble, Elvis et moi. Elvis, I just say that we've got some problem in the first meeting because because the microphone wasn't working well. So
Yes.
yeah, you can confirm it. Yeah. So we tested and it wasn't working. So we had to reboot the Zoom meeting, and after it worked. Okay.
Yeah.
It was working. So here, okay, si tu as plusieurs casques, if you have plusieurs microphones, okay, you can use, vous pouvez utiliser le téléphone de votre casque, donc celui que je suis en train d'utiliser, mais aussi autre chose. Tu as microphone array, je ne sais pas c'est quoi, c'est peut-être le microphone de l'ordinateur, mais je ne suis pas sûr, d'accord? Et pareil pour les intervenants. S'ils ont... Elvis, I have a question. Do you see my screen? Hello?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay.
I can see your screen.
Okay, you see here it's you, intervenant, all right? And oh no, it's not. It's nothing. No, here, guys, everyone, it's your ears, all right? So you can use. Oh, it's your ears. It's your, oh well, yes, it's your ears. So you can use the speaker from your computer, if it's your computer, I don't know, or your the ears of your headset, right? I don't know if it's a good word here. Okay, and here, camera. Il n'y a plus la caméra. Elvis, you are alone.
Oh, why? Come back, Doron. Dogon?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. Oh,
Where are you?
now you are alone. I left you.
No,
I left
can't,
you.
I can't without you. Please come back.
I'm here.
Oh,
I'm
my
here.
gosh.
Alles gut, alles gut.
It's much more better like that. Thank you. So, camera, there is no more options like in the microphone. So you can choose a background like Elvis. Elvis choose the Acropolis. So if you want, okay, we do it. I'm gonna choose the beach. Oh yes, the beach. Or maybe this. And the beach is the video background. Okay. So okay, it's gonna load. Whoa! There is a lot of wine here. My gosh. Oh. By the way, it's good to see the beach. Okay, you see, you can do that. But be careful of the bande passante. Attention à la bande passante, okay? Okay. Where are you, Elvis? It looks like Paris, yes.
Paris!
Et là, il y a la Défense derrière. La Défense. La Défense est une grande pause café. La Défense is a big coffee break.
Ah.
Yeah, because okay, I will speak with you in private.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, we have a lot of things to do in private. Okay, here is the security. So ici, si vous êtes un utilisateur normal, vous n'avez pas la sécurité, et c'est pas le même bouclier que là-haut, d'accord? D'accord. Donc là, vous pouvez verrouiller la réunion. Bon, vous pouvez activer la salle d'attente, ce qui peut être intéressant. Par exemple, si vous arrivez dans la réunion, vous l'avez créée et vous avez plusieurs personnes qui arrivent. Vous allez accepter les gens petit à petit pour éviter que la bande passante soit surchargée. C'est tout un travail de mémoire et de bande passante, hein, Zoom. Hein. C'est quand même pas mal. Oh là là, attention, j'ai ma femme qui arrive. Alors, je suis en meeting. That is my wife.
Oh.
Yes. OK. Tout un travail de bande passante, partage. You can share the screen. You can authorize people to share the screen. OK. Vous pouvez autoriser les gens à partager l'écran, à converser. Converser, ça veut dire sur le chat que je vais vous montrer après, qui peuvent se renommer eux-mêmes. Et ça, c'est pas très bien, d'accord? Je veux pas que les gens se renomment. Donc du coup, je vais décocher ça. Here, Iron Tick, Iron Coach, I don't know the word. Yeah, to rename yourself, because if we are 100 person, Elvis.
Yes.
It's dangerous. After we can.
Yeah, you can lose control of your whole meeting.
You're right. Yeah.
Yeah, and but on the other side, I mean, it's good to have an overview of the whole meeting, in order for you not to be lost there. And then within a lot of people, I mean, it depends how you handle the whole situation.
Do you have an example of a great experience on Zoom or not?
I mean, everybody started talking, and there were some noise on the background.
Oh
and
my gosh!
And the people couldn't mute their microphones. They didn't mute their microphones. Their baby was coming. So there happened many things in the same time. And then you suddenly say, "Okay, people, I'm just going to shut you off." And then you just make everything mute. Like everybody, you just mute everybody, and it's done. So you hear nothing, and then you just talk. It's
you
like
talk alone.
Yes, it's like in a class.
Yes, it's better.
It's better, yes.
Like
in a class.
And this is yes.
This is also the difference between a webinar and a training.
Oh,
yeah.
You also feel philosopher.
Yes. So webinar, webinar is when we talk alone and the other hear us, and the training is when we train the people and they ask us all the time, what do we have to do and how do we do this all the time. Yes. So you can do this. Yes.
You're famously right. I don't know if I can tell you that, but you are very right, because yes. When people always have questions, even for nothing, but it's normal because they don't know the tools. It's normal. We can't judge them. They are maybe better with us in ice cream. We don't know.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, and here you can add participants. Okay, so we are both together in the meeting. Okay, but here you can click. Il y a écrit invité. Okay, and you can also mute everybody. Okay, Elvis. No, I don't want to mute you. I like you.
Okay.
You can invite people. Okay, if you want. Okay, so there is a lot of people. I will hide it, of course, because I didn't. It is professional here. And oh, Elvis, you are mute. No, unmute yourself, please.
I'm unmuting.
Okay, I want to show something else. Here you can see, you can see always a little microphone because I am speaking. Okay, but if Elvis wasn't speaking, okay, and if we have about 100 of Elvis, all right, and one Elvis has a windows open. With policemen, firemen, a lot of noise, but nobody are speaking. No Elvises are speaking.
Yes.
And you can see that the microphone is moving. Okay, so now Elvis do not speak, but
what?
Is now speaking, and you can see. You can see that. So this is a good signal to see the, if where is coming the noise. So, and if okay, some people have a problem. Okay, sometimes you can see the little button mute. Okay, muet, or and this button sometimes doesn't appear well. So if you want to see every button, you go there, and with the arrow you do something like that. And now you can see every button, okay? Bon, we don't have the problem. On n'a pas le problème ici, okay? Mais voilà, if I want to do Elvis as if I want to give more permission to Elvis to give him as a co-host, I can put, if I want to go to the toilet, okay? And I say, okay, Elvis, I have to go, please be the co-host. So I click on plus, and I click on nommer co-animateur. I click on the name as a co-host, okay? And voulez-vous nommer? Of course I want. This is my friend, so everything is. So now he is a co-host. How do you feel as a co-host? Are you feel much more stronger?
I feel stronger. I feel like a Superman. I mean, when I woke up this morning, I said to myself, I want to be a co-host by Doron Bit channel. I don't say it like you say it, but yes.
Oh, when you speak, it's marvelous. We know, you know, everyone. Elvis and I are working with a lot of English person, a lot of American person, and always when they speak, everything is marvelous. Sometimes, do you understand what I say? Sometimes they tell you, "Oh, Elvis, can you please give me your marvelous email address?" Email addresses can be marvelous.
Yes.
But
everything is awesome. So they are in a way like over exaggerating. Let's say it like this in English. You say it like this. So they say a lot of things in a hyper level. Let's say it like this. I don't know how you say it in French.
Like you.
Yes, over exaggerated. So like it's like I'm saying now to Doron, you are the best in this world in every field. It's like, I mean,
it's just normal.
He's the best. He's the best, but we don't have to say it to him all the time. Yes.
I had another question, but I forget. It will come back. So, talk. Are you a co-host? Are you a co-host? Do you have any options?
Yes.
Okay, because there is a little thing. Yes. Okay, I click on it. What is it?
These things here.
Yes.
Yes, these things here I have to do actually when we send like
hello.
When we send like how do you say this? like a Umfrage, like if you want to go there, yes, no, maybe. It's like
yes, okay.
like a questionnaire, but we don't have to deal with it.
Would you like to take a coffee?
Yes.
No, there is a little icon coffee. I didn't see that.
Yes.
But why is okay. Okay. Sometimes for me something's new. I didn't see that before. Well, okay, because I was with the test version. Yes, we are not using the test version.
No.
So we don't have 40 minutes. So we forget. Okay, but we're gonna finish. Okay. Well, you have a lot of things. You can mute the microphone, the camera. You can give people to co-host. Okay. There is also something very nice. I will show you that now. No, not now. Okay. When you are an admin, when you are a host, quand tu es un animateur, quand tu es un host, tu peux aussi faire des quiz, des sondages. So, okay. Well, okay. We will not click on. Okay. On va cliquer quand même dessus. Je vais faire plein de montages. I'm going to make a lot of cuts in the video. So here you can put a question. Okay. Do you like ice cream? You know? Okay. Tip question. Oh, what is it? Oh, maybe it's not. It wasn't a question.
This is the name. This is the name of the poll.
Oh yeah, yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Quiz.
Ice cream.
Quiz. Yes. Quiz. Ice cream. Quiz meeting. Okay. Yes. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Okay. Okay. Single choice, multiple choice. Non, single choice. Ok. Et puis là, vous mettez la réponse. Oui, non. Et voilà. Et après, on envoie. D'accord? Mais je ne vais pas le faire parce que bon, j'ai pas envie. On a compris comment ça marche. D'accord? Et on peut ajouter notre question ici. Ok? Voilà. Et puis surtout que je vais devoir faire beaucoup de montage avec ça. J'aurais pas dû. Donc voilà. Ok. And now, I love this one. You will see why. Converser. Why? Because you can speak to everyone. Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Okay. Or you can speak with Elvis. Okay. And now we can say some bad things. Okay. Hello, Elvis. What do you think? You can spit on somebody that you don't like, okay? But of course, we stay professional. So, what do you think of this guy? What do you think of this guy? Okay, smiley. Do we have smiley? I forget. I think we have.
No.
But, no. Yes, of course we don't have. Thank you, Elvis.
Why do you need a smiley?
To do this face.
You can. Yeah, you can. You can do it like with a.
Okay, well, I will do it like that. Okay, I do it like that. This is a good one. Do you like this guy?
Yes.
What do you think of this guy? And now, be careful. Okay, Elvis, can you answer me? Of course, in private. Don't answer to everybody. Okay, and now, as you can see, it's right en privé, in private. Okay, so it's good. But now, if I do, yes, so do I, and I click, unfortunately here, to everyone, to tout le monde, everybody will see my yes, so do I. And people will write, why are you writing that? Okay, so be careful. And if you want to write only, write to Elvis, so where it is, Elvis, can you help me? You know that you can...
Here.
Where?
Here, you can go to, instead of my name.
No,
Click on my name.
Yes.
And then to all.
No. I wanted to show that you can have a private Windows.
Private Windows?
No. Maybe the... yes, no. Voilà, here you have a private window. No, this is not a private Windows. Yes, 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 yes. Tout le monde en public, code seulement. Fusion. Ah, ok. Here, everybody can see that you can merge, fusionner avec la fenêtre de la réunion. D'accord? Donc là, c'est bien fusionné avec la fenêtre de la réunion, mais normalement, normally, you can unmerge this discussion. So, let's try again. If I want to discuss with Elvis, okay, nouvelle fenêtre. Okay, I just want to, well, I don't know why it doesn't work today, you know, because there's a lot of update, maybe, I don't, tout le monde est en privé. Yes, Elvis, I don't know if you know, but
Yes.
you can have a private conversation, maybe because we are only two, okay?
Yes, this doesn't. Yes.
Yet maybe because of that there is we can't unmerge, on peut pas fusionner, on peut pas défusionner les deux fenêtres. Okay, I don't know how the video is gonna be, but the tooling.
The next video will make it better.
No, but no, I'm sure this is the one.
Yes.
Because it was too long. Okay. Okay. I close this one. Okay, now one marvelous screen is one marvelous option is the screen sharing. So, Elvis, I'm going to show you something you maybe don't know, but you know everything, but maybe you don't know.
Yes.
So, j'ai déjà cliqué dessus là, sur partager l'écran. Sur I could just click. I already click on share the screen. Okay. Okay. Un participant à la fois peut partager. Donc, only me can share. But if I want, I can say that many people can share in the same time. All right? Okay. But it will be a very good mess if you are 100 person. Now I want to show you something here. Well, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, Elvis, do you see nouveau part?
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Great. Here, I love it. It's one of my best tips and tricks. Annoter. Okay, and here, if I want to draw some another, I don't know, another eyes on Elvis, well, no, it's too bad. Okay, what I don't know. Okay, well, we can draw. Okay, well, let me show you a very good draw, because I didn't draw very good, and this is better in red. Okay, because red, dans le prisme absolu des couleurs, des lumières, ça ne se disparaît pas, et donc du coup on peut bien voir. Bon, là c'est multiply. Ok, largeur de la ligne. Ok, c'est normal parce que c'est pour qu'on puisse voir tout le monde. C'est pour qu'on puisse voir derrière. Ok. Okay. And now I'm gonna erase everything. On va gommer. Bien sûr, ça se gomme pas comme sur Paint ou Photoshop. C'est juste clac, et puis c'est, and it's over. And now I can see. Ah no, it's nothing. The best thing, okay, for me, it's the euro. Okay, le marquage. So if you want to show something, I want to show, I don't know, the La Défense. Okay, here it's La Défense. Here it's the Eiffel Tower. Here it's the Tour First, the name of this tower in La Défense. Where I can go, okay, Champ de Mars. Okay, you can show everything. Okay, this is marvelous. So you can do it on the screen, and even if you go to a little browser. If we go to a browser, so I go to Google Chrome. Okay, this is marvelous. Okay, okay. As you can see, it's already here. So it's already here. So now I'm gonna erase everything. Tac. Okay. I want to show with my name. Okay. So I say that I will go to Google. Okay. Okay. So. It is right that Doron Mazuz want to show something. Doron Mazuz, of course, it's me. It's Doron Bit, you know. Okay, and it's only one time. So you want to show precisely something. You click on Google, Gmail, image, and also something that I don't do in my tutorial, but I have to do that. I have to do it this. So if you want to show something better, you have the little red light, and it will be better. Like if I want to go to, I don't know, I like Pokemon, so you know. So we're gonna write Pokemon. Okay, all right. So I click on Pokemon. Okay, here. Here I want to show something. Okay, Pokédex, here, Pokemon Fest. I don't know. Okay, you can see my mouse, and I can see also something like a little arrow. So this is a marvelous thing when you want to share something on the screen. And for me, it's okay. I will speak a little French because after nobody will see my video. C'est un endroit plutôt intéressant, d'accord. C'est pour ça que Zoom est très bon. It's because of that Zoom is very powerful. For me, these options, ces options, sont plus fortes que sur Teams. Okay, this option is much more better than Teams. What do you think, Elvis?
Yes, I think that Zoom has many capabilities which Teams does not have yet. And it's
right.
but it's much more powerful. Zoom at the moment is incredible. A lot of people have not does not use it, but I mean, Zoom
it's normal.
started.
I think it's normal because it's
yes,
not. It's from nothing. Not Google, not Microsoft.
Yes. But now with the pandemic, with the COVID thing, it started being used.
Yes, but you know, just before the pandemic, some people tells me, "Yeah, can we have a conversation on Zoom?" I say, "No, I don't know that tool. Please call me on WhatsApp."
No.
Yes, now I'm feeling a little bit stupid because I can see how it is powerful. But for me, Teams is not only a communication tool that can be Zoom or Skype. Even Skype is dead, and I'm so happy because the Skype, I don't like Skype. Teams, it is a really strong collaborative tool where you can share document. And here, you cannot share document. Tu peux pas partager le document ici. Tu peux partager ta tête, des informations, mais tu vas pas faire du partage de documents permanent, d'accord? Alors, je vais arrêter ça, d'accord, les annotations. Et puis, bon, tu peux faire du contrôle à distance, évidemment, comme dans beaucoup d'autres outils. You can control the computer of Elvis, but I will not do that because he loves so much his computer, he don't want.
I don't want to get a loan from him.
And here, this is where you can record your video. So I will not click on pause and not stop because I already click on record. And after the meeting, I will get the record by a file or in the cloud, in the Zoom cloud portal. Ici, je peux mettre des sous-titres. So, affecter participant à la saisie, ok, copier le jeton, utiliser un service de sous-titres. Ok, let's try. We never try it.
No.
Okay, let's try if we have some subtitle. Copier le jeton. I don't have the token, so maybe if I click on this. No,
I don't think that's going to work, Doron.
Yeah, it will not work. For me, this is the first time I see that. I think we'll have to do another video in some days, maybe, to show to show that. Okay, and now I love it. It's reaction. Okay, don't think that you have a lot of reaction, but you have two marvelous reaction. Okay, this for me. You're gonna say maybe it's a racist word, but for me it's a white reaction. Even if I mid white, mid black, okay, so it's okay for me. I can do that. I can say that. But why? Because, and you will say, you tell me if I'm wrong or not. In every meeting, in every white meeting, oh, it's very racist. In the end of the meeting, everyone applauds. Can you help me, Elvis? But without smiling. They just applause to end the meeting, okay? I don't know why. people like to be applause. I don't know. Even if nobody was smiling. What?
Even if nobody was happy.
Yes, and even if nobody understood also.
Yes, here. I'm applauding you also now.
I hope you understand something. No,
Yes.
yeah, of course, you understand even much more better than me. And here, it's the term. So it's le pouce. So if everybody, now I'm serious. If everybody are mute, if 100% are mute, and the host say, okay, is everyone okay with what I say? Is everyone okay with what I said, every Elvis? Oh, thank you. So as you can see here, il give me a thumbs. Il m'a donné un pouce, d'accord? Voilà. Et ça par contre, le pouce, c'est plutôt intéressant. Ça, c'est très, très intéressant. It's very interesting, the thumbs. Okay. This is thumbs, yes? Yes. Yeah, no, this is the right word. Thank you. OK. And here, the three dots, les trois boutons, c'est divisé en groupes. Or, I never click on this button. Let's try.
No, we cannot do it now.
Okay.
Because this is like working for, you have 12 people and you want to separate different rooms. So you are a teacher and you want to create different study rooms.
Okay.
And then you create 4 different study rooms and you put 3 people there in the first study room, 3 people in the other study room, and 3 people in the other study room. And then they work with each other within one meeting, and then you go and supervise them.
Okay, can you tell us that in French now?
Yeah. Yes. So.
Can you tell us that in
Très
Greek?
beaucoup. What?
In Greek. We never listen Greek.
We never listen Greek. So, έχουμε ένα meeting και μέσα σε αυτό το meeting θέλουμε να ξεχωρίσουμε το meeting σε 4 δωμάτια. Αυτό το meeting θέλουμε λοιπόν. Yes, thank you very much.
Continue. I have to. I'm in the cloud.
You are sleeping.
No, I'm in the cloud. In the real cloud. No Office 365. I'm in the cloud.
In the cloud, yes.
Your accent is marvelous.
Okay, and then ich sage das auf Deutsch auch. Also wir haben ja.
It is German?
Yes.
Yeah. I prefer Greek. Greek is much more.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's finish with something that I didn't say. Here, there is some buttons on the people. Okay, so here you can mute people if you want. Okay, you activate it, and there is a 3 dots. Okay, so you can stop the videos. You can stop the song. You can. It's here. No, it's not here. Okay. It's not here. I don't know why. Okay, you can pin the video. Okay, so this is good when you will see when so here now when I pin the video, everyone of the reunion will see the video like that. We'll see Elvis, because Elvis is doing a demonstration, a very good demonstration. So everyone has to see him. Okay. So because if we speak, if everyone is speaking, the screen will change. So sometimes it will be me, sometimes it will be Elvis, sometimes it will be Elvis 2, Elvis 3, Elvis 4. Please help me. I'm dying. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so I unpin the vidéo. Je vais détacher la vidéo. Et voilà. Et voilà. Et the 3 dots. Okay. Yes, that's very strange. I had this thing. Well, yes. Voilà. Okay. You see, I was thinking of how to make to reestablish the screen. So you have to click on this one. Okay. Elvis, do we have to say something more? Well, sorry. So you are on mute. You are on mute.
A lot, but we can do this in the next session.
Okay, all right. Okay, thank you, Elvis. Thank you so much. How do we say thank you in Greek?
Ευχαριστώ.
Efradisto, Elvis beat!
Doron, Dankeschön.
Efradisto!
Not exactly, but it's okay.
Ok, thank you. Ok, allez tout le monde.
Merci.
Bye bye. Salut tout le monde. N'hésitez pas.
Salut.
How do you say please share the video and give a thumbs and also write some comment and in Greek.
Μοιραστείτε αυτό το βίντεο με τους γνωστούς σας και φίλους σας και δώστε ένα thumb up. Okay?
Oh, geez, this is marvelous.
Doron Beat. Ο καλύτερος.
Elvis Beat, I love you. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye tout le monde. Ciao.
Ciao.